Welcome to this tutorial. Here, I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting in Excel to highlight cells that meet a certain criteria, specifically any cell that is greater than a certain value. What I've got here is a sample list of employees with their sick day count for an entire year, and some of them, such as Michael Scott and Creed Bratton, have been sick a lot. So here's the list. Now, what I want to do is not filter it, I just want to highlight the cells that are greater than a certain value. Filtering is for a later tutorial. So what I want to do is highlight the sick days. I'm going to select all of the sick days, and I want to do this with conditional formatting. I don't want to change the order of the employees or anything like that, which is what filtering would do, I just want to highlight them. So, I've selected all the sick days. I'm on the Home tab, going to the Styles box, and select Conditional Formatting. At the very top, you'll see Highlight Cells rules. This arrangement in Office 2007 is really very helpful. Then, select Greater Than. This box is going to open up and ask you to enter a number. What it's going to do is format the cells that are greater than this number. For example, who was sick for more than 15 days this year. Then, over here, you can select one of about 6 of these preset color arrangements and cell formatting options or set up your own custom format. Here, you can do any number of things like custom borders, fonts, fill, and how you want the cell to look. For now, we will stick with the traditional light red fill with dark red text. Select the number, click OK, and you're done. Check out the Sick Days column, I've got it highlighted in red. Everyone who was sick for more than 15 days is highlighted, with only 3 people, with Kelly Kapoor being the third. That's how you can highlight values greater than a certain number, and that is called conditional formatting. Now, let's move on to changing this. I've already got it up here. What if I want to take it away or change the rules for the sick days? Simply click on Conditional Formatting and go to Manage Rules. This window will open up. Select the appropriate rule, double-click it, and change everything here. For example, change greater than to greater than 10 and adjust the formatting here or the entire rule right here. I'm going to cancel that. If you want to remove this formatting, simply select the rule, click Delete Rule, and OK. Now, it's not going to highlight anymore. If you want to highlight cells that are less than a certain value, for example, to give a bonus to anyone who was sick for fewer than 2 days a year, click on Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules, and instead of greater than, click less than. This window opens up exactly the same way as the other method, except now it's less than. Let's say less than 2 days a year, and click OK. Now, you can see that we've got Dwight Schrute and Angela Martin highlighted. That's how you can highlight cells that are greater than or less than a certain value. I showed you how to remove formatting, and the process for conditional formatting stays the same for this and that. That's about it. In reality, there's a lot more you might want to do with the data in terms of filtering and sorting, but those topics are covered in other tutorials.